Hello students. So students, last time we have discussed the multiplication of the fraction. So today's topic is the division of the fraction. Suppose if we have two fraction a upon b and c upon d, and means then how we can divide this by this one. Okay, now see, that is, you can say the division of fraction a upon b is divided by c upon d, that is your another fraction. So I hope you know the reciprocal of any number. The reciprocal of any number is what? Of, suppose reciprocal of a is what? 1 upon a. So if the reciprocal of c upon d, then what will be the reciprocal of c upon d? That is 1 upon c upon d, that is what? D upon c. Okay. So in next step we will write like as the a upon b. In place of the division we will use the multiplication sign, and now we will do the reciprocal of this second division fraction. Okay, now in place of the c upon d we will write what? D upon c as a reciprocal of this c upon d. Now then what, how can we get the answer? Now you know, now it is just similar to that previous one, that is the multiplication of the fraction. So follow that steps, means multiplication. Now we will do the multiplication of numerator to the numerator of the second fraction, and denominator with the denominator of the second denominator. Then suppose it's your u and it's your v, so it will be your answer. Okay, now let's come to the exercise. But whenever you will solve the word problem based on this division of the fraction, then in such types of the question you will notice that there will be there may be a total amount may be given, there may be the total amount of any article may be given, and in that question you have to find out the value of the one article. Okay, so you have to, whenever you will read the word problem, then you can easily arrange that question according to this, those question according to this division of fraction. Okay, now come to the exercise. Okay, the first question is write down the reciprocal of, in first, 5 upon 8. So how will we solve? We have a fraction equal to 5 upon 8, then reciprocal of 5 upon 8 equal to what? 1 upon 5 upon 8, that is 8 upon 5. Okay, in this way you can easily calculate the reciprocal of any number. Now come to the second question. Okay, in second question you have to simplify. You have to what? You have to do what? The simplification. Means in this question we will do the fifth part. Okay, 24 is divided by 6 by 7. Okay, so now it's your solution. If there is no denominator in place of then we can write the 1 as a denominator. Okay, 6 upon 7. In next step, what we have done in previous explanation, yes, use the multiplication sign in place of the division and do the reciprocal of this second fraction. So 7 by 6. Okay, now cancel it. 6 4 are 24. Now 4 into 7 upon 1 into 1, 28 by 1, that is 28 your answer. Okay, now come to the third one. Third question. In this third question we will do the fourth one. Fourth part. What is the third question? Divide this by another number. Okay, means 32 by 1 in 3 upon 5. 1 in 3 upon 5. So first we will arrange this one. Solution. Now it's your solution. This implies 32 upon 1 divide 1 in 3 upon 5. Now convert this mixed fraction into the standard fraction. 1 5 1 ja 5 plus 3 become 1 5 ja 5. Okay. 8 by 5. In next step, in place of the division, we will use the multiplication sign and do the reciprocal of this second. It becomes 5 upon 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32. Now the 4 into 5 upon 1 into 1 become 20 by 1. Your answer is 20. Okay, so I hope you got the idea how to divide the fraction. Okay, beta.